Hi there. So this is a quick screencast to recap and reply to your response that turning WPE member rectifies the problem. So I'm on scenicgems.com, and if I go to WPE member, which is on, and I deactivate, I get the link you followed has expired. So now if I go to categories, the initial reason why I was asking was that I can't delete this in here, even though there's no file there. So, but it's showing one, and categorized is saying that it's got 16. There's nothing there, so nothing is updating. The other query was with auto optimize. So if I click on settings, auto optimize, sorry, you're not allowed to access this page. So while that might have something to do with WPE member, senior technical support said that they deactivated WPE member and they were able to do all things. So turning up auto optimize on and off, and doing the categories as I mentioned. They were the problems that I was experiencing. So if I just go to the tickets, so the answer was, thank you for contacting us. I've checked your admin section and I've noticed that you have activated the WPE member plugin. I have now deactivated the plugin and was able to log in and edit with no issues or error messages. So I'm not seeing that. I do have a developer working on the WPE member plugin on the staging environment. So I do understand that you've possibly found something there. So what I tried to do to just get around this, because I haven't made any changes, was go into the staging environment and re-push to live. I thought that that might help. So if I push to live and do advanced push, I get this message again. So failed to get DB diffs. And this was something that I previously went to support with today and asked if this could be rectified. And the answer was that the password for the restored staging database did not match the password in the staging configuration file. I've updated it and the advanced push option should work as expected now, and it did. But now that I've gone back to it, I've got this error message again. So that's kind of where I'm at in response to this other ticket, this one here. So I'm going to reply to this ticket now with this screencast. Thanks guys, cheers.